Hey guys and gals, Justin here with J Hart Model Works, coming to you with another shop card shout out. And today's shop cards come from Wayne over at Wayne's Model World. This card here it has design on the front and back. That's kind of unique. Most of the cards just have something on one side. And we have this one as well. I was not originally subbed to Wayne until I actually found, I was looking him up on the shop cards, and thank you very much, Wayne, for bringing these to me and helping me find your channel. Wayne's got some great stuff, guys. He did a beautiful purple 34 Ford for the Ron Stewart appreciation build. He's got a great yellow Honda S2000. I always loved that car. I'm too big for that car, but I always loved that car. Just some great stuff. A lot of older cars as well. Did a beautiful job on the Foose Ford F-150. Just some great stuff. So go ahead and take a look at his channel. It's going to be up there. It'll also be down in the description below. And give him a look over and possibly give him a sub. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Keep modeling and have a great day.